How to repost Facebook stories. In this video, I will guide you on how to repost Facebook stories. The first thing you want to do is launch open the Facebook app on your device. If you don't have this application, head over to Play Store or App Store to download and install this. Now make sure to log into your account. If you want to repost someone else's story as your own, then all you want to do is tap open the story that you want to repost. Now you want to tap on this plus icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. You have the option of share story, tap on that. Now you have the option of share to your story. You can tap on share now option, or if you want to edit the story, you can tap on edit and share to your story option. Now you can edit this story however you want. You can add filters, add text, or add some music. Once that is done, simply tap on the share option. Now as you can see, it says creating your story. And now the story has been successfully reposted, and that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.